Alright, this is Gadget Man, Nebraska. We are here with Jennifer, and I put on the videos or some of the forums that we have a Jeep Liberty, and I'd like you to introduce you to Jennifer. Say hi, Jennifer.
Hello.
And tell me a little bit about what this vehicle did before. Just tell me whatever.
It didn't have as much power, that's obvious. I was getting it between 13 to 14 miles a gallon when I bought it, and Aaron came to me and said that he could do this for me, and the first week it went up to 17, and then I filled it again a week later and it went up to 18. It's gradually going up about a mile every week. It's getting about between 20 and 21. I did it about a month ago, about a month and a half ago.
Cool.
It has a lot of power to it. It runs awesome. I love it.
Tell me what you said the first time when you got in this thing. You were hoping what?
Holy cow!
Oh, that is great.
It get great gas mileage. It's actually worth keeping now, even though I love it and it's safe. He's done an amazing job on it. He's awesome.
Well, thank you.
But it's getting between 20 and 21 in a month and a half, so it's increasing about a mile every week is about what it's doing.
Great.
That's a lot of power.
That's great. I think this is a great testimony. Love driving this little vehicle. It's a fun little vehicle to drive, and this was one that she was not for sure whether I'll point this back at me, but she was not for sure if she even wanted to keep it. It was getting such bad gas mileage, and I mentioned that I did this, and how exciting to see this work and be able to help somebody and to see that smile. That's awesome. So this is Gadget Man, Nebraska, and we are out.